Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well. If not, I do hope things get better. So I haven't filmed in months, you guys, and reason being, I was just tired and I had to get my health together and also my mental health. I'll give you a story time on that later, but I did have to take a break for myself. I was feeling overwhelmed. Just a lot of everything all at once. So I'm better, I'm back, and we're gonna do something a little different today. We're gonna do Macy's, the Macy's box versus Ipsy. And the reason being is Ipsy's prices have gone up from my understanding. I believe I'm paying $15 a month now just for the bag. These bags, I don't know which is which. I'm actually opening 2 Macy boxes. I don't know what months they are, and I'm also opening 2 Ipsy bags. I don't know what months they are. So let's get started. As you know, Macy's does come in this cute little box. And so let's get started with this box first, because this one I opened. I did peek inside. I just don't remember what month it is. But they substituted something in my box, so that's nice. And as always, Macy's does, I believe it's $15 a month, and you get, and that doesn't include tax. I believe they charge taxes on these, and you get 5 samples or deluxe sample sizes, and you also get a bonus item, and you also get a $5 coupon. And it does come wrapped like this. So I don't know what month this is, you guys, so bear with me. We're gonna open it up. It's a lot of tissue paper. I really like this color too. So what month is this? So I didn't get the bag, the Laura Mercier bag. What month is this? So the coupon is going to expire, but I will put it on screen. I don't even know. Maybe it expired already. Today's the 24th. Yeah, today's the last day for the coupon. So when you see this, the coupon won't be any good. So yeah, this is so this box is worth $31.51, and this is the items that were supposed to come in the bag or the box, but I don't have that bag. They ran out of it, and I got a little oopsie, we forgot. So that's the little booklet, and of course this is the coupon, and it's expired as of today. So when you're seeing this, it'll be expired. So let's see what we got. This is not worth $31.51. Well, I did get my 5 things, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I did get 5 things. So I did get the caviar stick eye color, and that's what that looks like. So we got that. And we also got the Velour Extreme Matte Lipstick in the color Fresh. So we got that. We got this one. And we also got the Nourishing, I can't say that word, Rose Oil in this tiny little container. We got that. So this is about what you would get with an Ipsy bag right now. And Ipsy's, it used to be $10, now it's $15 a month. And what is this? We also got the Perfect Cream Multitasking Moisturizer, which is a good size. This is a good size because you could try it out if you like it. You know, it smells good. If you like it, you can buy the big one, and then you can use that coupon to do it. And we also got the Translucent Loose Setting Powder. We got that color. That looks like it will work. And then we got a little packet of eye cream. So those are the things that we got in whatever month this was. I believe this is May's box, because the coupon is good from May to July. So that was Macy's May's box. Let's open one of these. We'll open this one, this Ipsy bag. This one's already open. I don't know what month it is, but I'm just showing you the items that you could get. So you can either choose Ipsy for $15 a month, or you can choose, because I think they're charging like $1.99 shipping and handling, and I don't know if it's going to be permanent or if that's just a temporary thing. But you're paying $15 for each box. And at the end of the video, I'll show a picture of the things that came in each box so you can see for yourself if that's something. Like I said, I should have gotten a Laura Mercier bag, but they ran out. So here's Ipsy. You get a cute little bag. I don't know what month this is. April. This is April's bag, you guys. That's how backtracked I am. And there's Cutler. Cause no, don't go on my stuff. 3 ways to upcycle your glam bag. No, there's little things there. So let's see. We got the bag, which is the silver one. It's okay. It's not the best. Oh, but they put in a cute brush. So we got this Farrah brush with the little daisies on it. I also received the hydrating primer by Shades by Shan. Never heard of them, but we've got some primer, which I haven't been using. I think I use primer only in the winter because I don't have any today. We also have this Wander Beauty mascara. Got that. So that's 3. And then we got this exfoliating solution, coriander seed and bay. I don't know what that is. Got that. And the last item in this little bag is, I know you just want to run to the window, but I've got some stuff by the window I don't want you to get into color. And then this is by Ciate London, and it's a bronzer, powder bronzer. So that's everything in the April bag. I mean, it's not bad. Oh, this is cute. I don't know why I smelled that, but we got the bronzer. That's the Ciate, and that's everything that came in the Ipsy. This is the April 2022 bag. So 5 items and a bag. So we got the bronzer. What was that? Eyelid, mascara, the brush, the primer, and some kind of solution. So that's everything. And I don't know what the value on this is, but it's $15. That's what I paid for the bag. So we got this. Now let's move on to another Macy's box. So here we go, Macy's. This one is not open, so I don't know what month it is. But with all the prices going up, are you guys still getting boxes? I think I'm going to cancel the Ipsy one. I might keep the Macy's one. I'm not sure. I know I'm getting an Ipsy box next month, that big one with Alicia Keys. And I have my last Ipsy box I can open for you all, so you can see what came in there, so you can decide if you want to try that. So this is Macy's beauty box, of course. And I guess this is June because it says all about pride. This might just be our favorite box yet. All hues of the rainbow, from makeup to skincare. We're celebrating love and equality through the most colorful method of expression, beauty. And this coupon is actually a $10 coupon, which I am going to keep for myself. But this coupon is good till August, as you can see there. $10. I can use that because there's a perfume I want, and that'll come in handy. And wow, okay, I'm excited to see this one. We have samples of Mugler's perfume. So again, it comes wrapped up like this. Oh, I'm excited for this box. This is why I think I might keep Macy's box, and I like this one a lot. Okay, so let's get started. So we have this chlorine. Am I saying that right? Chlorine. And this is dry shampoo, which I will give to my daughter because I don't use dry shampoo. We got that. Dry shampoo. We have some nail polish. Mineral Fusion. The color is Fast and Fabulous. Actually, it's a really pretty color. There we got that. And that looks like a full size, you guys. And then we also got Buxom, which I have not used in a really long time. This is their Plumping Lip Cream. And we got that. Like I said, this to me, Macy's seems like a better deal right now because you get full-size items. Here's another full-size item. This is an eye pencil, and this is the jumbo pencil, and this color is French Fries, and it's by NYX. So we got that. So far we got two, it looks like 2 full-size items. Then we have this Beauty Crap, the Watermelon Brightening Eye Mask. I really like this box, you guys. This is the Pride one. June. And this is called Perfectly Polished, created for Macy's. And these are the wrap sets, so you can just wrap up your nail. Or if you have some fake ones, you can probably wrap those too and then just stick them on. I like this. I like this a lot. And then we have two of Mugler's perfumes. We have Angel. I have this one. I have the original one, which is this blue one. And these are refillable from my understanding. So we got that one. This is called Angel. The perfume. And I believe that these, you take them back and you can refill these. So it's like less waste. And then this is Angel Nova, which I'm gonna put some on. What are the, so this is fruity, floral, woody, and the perfume. So let's see what you smell like, because I have not sampled you. Oh, this smells really good. I like this one. I can't even describe it. I'm no good at that. But it smells, for me, it's more of a, it says fruity floral, but I'm getting fall vibes. And it kind of reminds me of a Victoria's Secret perfume. Oh, it just reminds me, it took me back a few years. So this is Angel Nova. Now that's their June Macy's box. $15. In this case, we got two full-size items, three full-size items in this box, because this is a full-size item. This was one. Then we have the samples of the perfume. Oops, the two perfume. And then we have the sample, deluxe sample of the Buxom. And I believe this is a full size of the nail polish. And then we have the Jumbo NYX eye pencil and the deluxe sample of this dry shampoo. So far, Ipsy's winning this one. So let's go ahead and open this next Ipsy bag. I don't know, again, don't know what month it is. They've just been sitting on my desk collecting dust because it's just, I haven't been in the mood to film. What month is this? So this is June's. It has to be June's because it says don't miss choice, log in July 20th to the 22nd to choose your product, unless it's just July's bag. I don't know, it might be July's bag. So this is the bag here. Is that it? It's just the bag with a little, so this is either June's or July's. But we have, I like this bag. This bag is actually really cute. And what's in this bag? So we've got the Ocean Cleanser by Osea. I think that's how you say it. I'm not sure. So we have that. That is actually worth, this is a deluxe size sample, and the full version is worth $48. I like when the cards come like that. Miss Flower and Mr. Honey. I don't know what this is. We got this little bottle of something. What is it? That is a moisturizer. And the full size item is $38. This is a deluxe size sample. So the big one is $38. Then we have Nomad, America's Parks. Ooh, I love Nomad's eyeshadow. My eyeshadow today, though, that I'm wearing is Darth Vader by ColourPop. My daughter bought it for me. So we got a cute little Nomad eyeshadow. And ooh, I like this one. Look at those colors. This is called America's Parks. Blue Ridge Parkway and Cuyahoga Valley, I think that's how you say it. Those are actually really, really pretty. Ooh, I can't wait to wear this. I love green and yellow. Back in there. So we got that. And this is a sample, a deluxe sample. The full size version of the America's Parks is $38. So we got that. And we got two more items in this bag. And then we also got Shandy Darden Retinol. And this is an anti-aging serum. This is also a deluxe size sample. The full size version is $88. So we got that. This was in a bad bag. And then we have one full size item, and this is the Prestige Cosmetics Waterproof Automatic Eyeliner in Smoky Green. Ooh, that's really pretty then. That would go fantastic with the Nomad. So we got all of that. And you know what? Macy's did have one where they had prices on them. But anyways, so we got all of that in this bag. So we have the eyeliner, we have the cleanser, some moisturizer, eyeshadow, and a cleanser, I believe this is. And the little bag. And that was Ipsy's. I believe this is July. Oh, it is July. July 2022. So that is July 2022. Now Macy's, the one... This ain't it, that's the old one. Where's the other Macy's? This one. This one did have prices in them. Why didn't I tell you guys? So the Buxom Cosmetics, the full-size item is $21. Sorry, I'm all over the place with this video. This Beauty Crap eye mask, the full size, it has 30 pairs, is $24. The Mineral Fusion Nail Shade, this is a full-size item. This is worth $9. The NYX Professional Jumbo Pencil is $4.50. The Chlorine Dry Shampoo, the full size, is worth $20. And then the Muglers, the perfumes or parfums, this pink one is worth $100, and this one is worth $120 if you get the full size. The full size ones. And that's it, you guys. It's everything. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on these bags. I believe I'm gonna cancel my Ipsy. I won't be getting Ipsy anymore. I will continue to get my Macy's. For some reason, the value in the Macy's box seems to be a little more of value for me than Ipsy. Ipsy, I don't know, they've went through some changes when they got bought out, or when they bought BoxyCharm, and I don't know, it's just been different. Oh, and then these little nails things that came in the bag. So for me, I liked Macy's better. Let me know what you think. What was better for you, Macy's or Ipsy? I don't know if I'll be able to take a picture because I just threw everything up here and I don't know what's what. So let me know in the comment section down below which one you prefer, Macy's or Ipsy, or if you've canceled both of them or you don't get any boxes at all. I think subscription boxes have just gone downhill for me. I've seen other people unbox boxes and they're just trash. I have a FabFitFun box I still have to unbox for you guys, which was like summer's box. I think fall's box coming up. I still have a couple more Macy's boxes, and I also have Ipsy Plus. So comment down below, let me know what you think of these boxes and if you're gonna still be getting them. So thank you all for hanging out with me. I truly appreciate it. Until next time, hasta leaders.